In conclusion, the Sugess men's chronograph mechanical wristwatch represents the epitome of horological excellence, combining impeccable craftsmanship with unparalleled performance. From its precision Seagull ST19 movement to its durable sapphire glass crystal and elegant stainless steel case, every aspect of this timepiece reflects a commitment to quality and sophistication. Whether worn as a statement piece or an everyday accessory, the Sugess men's chronograph exudes confidence, style, and enduring charm. The Sugess men's chronograph mechanical wristwatch stands as a testament to precision engineering, exquisite craftsmanship, and timeless style. With its blend of classic design elements and modern innovations, this timepiece exudes sophistication and refinement, making it a coveted accessory for discerning gentlemen. The Sugess men's chronograph features a striking 40mm case crafted from premium 316L stainless steel, known for its durability and corrosion resistance. Its sleek and versatile design effortlessly transitions from casual to formal occasions, making it a versatile companion for every aspect of life. Equipped with a sapphire glass crystal, this timepiece offers unparalleled clarity and scratch resistance, ensuring optimal visibility of the dial while maintaining its pristine appearance over time. The exhibition caseback provides a captivating view of the intricate inner workings of the Seagull ST19 movement, allowing enthusiasts to admire its mechanical prowess. With a case thickness of 13mm and a lug width of 20mm, the Sugess men's chronograph strikes the perfect balance between presence and wearability. Its high-quality hands and dial, complemented by luminous markers, ensure effortless readability even in low light conditions, enhancing both style and functionality.